how to change profile posts in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your profile posts in Roblox. So to get started, open Roblox and head over into your avatar tab. And then once you're on the avatar tab, click on this profile icon which you'll find above this customize button. Then in here, go ahead and select the post that you want to use. So as you can see, there are these 4 free posts that you can select from. You can also buy a post from the marketplace. So after that, click on this next button, and in here you can set how zoomed you want your profile to be. You can also rotate your avatar for your profile. So after this, click on this next button to proceed on saving this. So click on the save button to save this avatar post for your avatar profile. And once your page loads, you'll be able to find this new avatar look. And that is how you can basically change profile posts in Roblox.